The Black family statue, created in 1974 by local artist Rosie Wade, was once a symbol of strength and pride for the Black community in Southeast San Diego. But after years of deterioration, it was removed from Mountain View Community Park. Now, a recent state grant jump-started efforts to recreate the statue. And as NBC7's Todd Strain shows us, there's actually going to be 2 replicas of the Black family statue.
When the Black family statue was removed from Mountain View Community Park, it left 4 big holes in this brick pedestal and 1 big hole in this community. But that's closer than ever to being filled.
I think it turned out great.
I feel good about it. I feel real good about it.
I think it came out pretty good.
Welding students at San Diego College of Continuing Education, led by instructor Mike Bradbury, have finished the first replica of the Black family statue.
The edge right there, and we just printed it in.
While the original statue was made of wood, this replica is steel. It will last for 100 years and be a continued source of community pride.
I'm going to get to show my sons this. They're going to get to show their kids this. And it means a lot to me just to, say that I had something to do with it.
Now, the welding students who made the statue are from various ethnic backgrounds. Just like the statue colors, black, white, brown, yellow, red, the statue in this process symbolize racial unity.
But we all had our hands on it. It was multi-different colored people, and we all helped, yes.
Everyone had their different backgrounds, and it just melded together as a melting pot like San Diego is.
This sculpture specifically shows unity. It shows how, it's a family. The ethnicities, the cultures, it's a family. It's not just, you against me, against, my culture versus your culture. It's, everyone's together.
This first replica will be displayed on the college campus. Soon the class will start an even bigger second replica statue.
And then each one's gonna be a foot taller, so it'll be really long and thin.
That bigger version will be placed back in its rightful place in the Mountain View Community Park. Dr. Tina King of the San Diego College of Continuing Education says when that happens, it will be an iconic day for the community.
It symbolizes Black education, Black wealth, Black prosper in Southeast San Diego. It's extremely important for us to know exactly where we came from and where we're going. I think it tells the story of the future.
I'm Todd Strain, NBC7.
The welding students are hoping to start the second larger statue soon. The nearly $200,000 state grant would pay for the installation and upkeep of the Black family statue in the park for years to come.